So question 5A, an electricity company has established that the weekly number of occurrences of lightning striking transformers follows a Poisson distribution with a mean of 0.4 per week required. Probability that no transformer will be struck by lightning in a week. Probability that at most 2 transformers will be struck by lightning in a week. So the question of May 2018. Question 5A is on what we call Poisson. Poisson probability distribution. Poisson probability distribution. So the formula for Poisson probability that x is equal to x, we know it's given as E minus lambda u raised to power x, lambda u raised to power x, you divide by x factorial. And remember, lambda is the mean. So we are told in this question, the mean is 0.4 per week. So when they ask, no transformer struck, in this case, x is equal to 0. So probability that x is equal to 0 will be equal to E u raised to power minus 0.4 times 0.4 u raised to power 0. You divide by 0 factorial. You divide by 0 factorial. So with that now, I told you when you are using the exponential, the first thing ni kutafuta hii button, this one for the E, so utakuwa una press shift that E. Then unatafuta ile iko na factorial, the one that has factorial. Then utakuwa una press shift factorial. So let's start. And then we are also going for the negative. Unatumia hii button, this one that has a negative. That's the one that you use. So let's start. You say shift E. So you have E on the screen. Then you press minus 0.4. Kwanza unasema equals. Then you say times 0.4, which is raised to power 0. Unasema equals Then you say divide by 0 shift factorial. And the answer, send me the answer to 2 decimals. Send me the answer to 2 decimals. Yeah, good. 0.67. 2 decimals, that is 0.67. Next, probability that at most 2 transformers will be struck. At most 2 transformers. 2 transformers will be struck. Will be struck. So in that case, our X will be, when you are told at most, it will be 0 or 1 or 2. We don't want more than that. So sasa, the probability of X being less than or equal to 2, that is at most, it will be e raised power minus 0.4 times 0.4 you raise power 0. You divide this by 0 factorial plus e raised power minus 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 you raise power 1. You divide by 0, not 0, we are now power 1. You divide by 1 plus e raised power minus 0.4 times 0.4 raised power 2. You divide by 2 factorial. We get the answer. So if we go by what we have said, 2 decimals, this is 0.67. Shift natural rule. Minus 0.4 equals times 0.4 divided by 1. To 2 decimals, I have 0.27 plus 0.05. And if I'm going by that, hey, very high. Are you getting that? Oh, 0.99. It's a very high value. But it's okay as long as I can pick the one. Are we through with that? Are we through? Okay. Part B, that one we can see clearly is from network. Network analysis. It is a question of network analysis. This is network analysis, and is what we call PATS, project appraisal. So I think we can just go straight. We have the activity here. We have the activity. Now the activity, we compute the expected time, which is given as A plus 4M plus B. You divide by 6, and we normally designate it as T. Then we have variance. Variance is given as B minus A. You divide by 6, and that is delta square. So for activity A is 2 plus 4 times 4 plus 12. We divide by 6. Then this will be 12 minus 2. You divide by 6. You square this. You go to B, do the same thing. 10 plus 4 times 12 plus 26. You divide by 6. Then 26 minus 10, you divide by 6. Then C, it will be 8 plus 4 times 9 plus 10, you divide by 6. 10 minus 8, you divide by 6. So continue that way on your own. And once you have everything, you say finished so that we draw the diagram together. Hey, only 5 persons have finished. The others, you know, time is moving. Only 5 persons. Kama umemaliza andika so that I move. Okay. Only 2 persons have not said whether they are finished. So let us try now to come up with a sketch. Let's try to come up with a sketch. Sketch. So you can see here, A is not preceded, B is also not preceded, but A is preceding 3 activities, that is C, D, E, preceding 3 activities. Then F is preceded by B, C, so I change C here, this one I can make it E, so that B, C here, they precede F. Then G is preceded by D here. And then H is preceded by EF. EFG. Let me interchange this one to become my E so that it precedes G. This is my E. That is my E there. So E, F, G, they precede H. So zote wapatane hapa so that we have H there. So that we have H there. So this is A here. This is B. This is E. This is G. This is H. So from my workings, let me give you the figures so that you tell me whether you agree or you don't. A, I got 5, B is 14, C is 9, E I got 15, E is 8, F is 9, G is 4, and H is 5. If you agree with those figures, you say agreed. So if we have agreed, let's then quickly do the forward. This is 0 plus 5, 5. This is 14. It's also 14 here. Then this is 20. Then if you add this one, it will be 23. This is so the highest here is 23. And this is 28. 28, this is 23 minus 9. You get 14. 14. This here is 19. And this one is 5. And this is 0. So the critical path five is 24. Why 25? Good. Now I should be going home. I should be going home. We now on 15. I'm seeing 15 here now. So that is very good for the correction. So this one now should change so that this is 24. 24, this is 29, 29, this is 24, this is 20, this is 5, and then this is 15. Yeah. Siko sawa sasa? Tuko sawa. So kama tuko sawa, the critical is A. And see B has failed. Huyo mwingine ni D. You see now, ukifuata D iko na 15 plus 4, that is 19. Now ukifuata E, which just satisfies, it only has 8. So the critical is D, G, and H. That is the critical path. So the question now was asking us to get the critical path. Critical path. So critical path, you simply say it is A through D through G through H. So from there now, you need to come here and do something like this. We have critical activity and then variance. So this is A, D, G, and H, then total. So if I give you the figures I had, for A, I have 2.78. D, I have also 2.78. G, 0.44. And H, 0. So the total, can you confirm whether it is 6? The total, confirm that. Yeah, it is 6. So if it is 6, even without drawing the diagram, tunaulizwa the probability of completing within 30 days. So the probability because of the interest of time, I will say Z is equal to x1 minus x bar. You divide by standard deviation. So x1 is 30, the x bar 29. This one you divide by the root of 6. So tell me what is the value of Z? We are using normal probability distribution. We are using normal probability distribution. So Z means the figure, this one. Okay, Jude is giving me 0.41. So when you are told less than that days, they are talking of within 30. So from the tables, probability that x is less than or equal to 30. Enda kwa table nisomee hii. Go to the normal tables and give me this. Aha, 0.4082. Oh, 0.1591. 1591. So you add 0.5 because of the lower side. So the probability will be 0.6591. 6591. So we call it a day at that juncture. We call it a day at that juncture. We meet tomorrow for our last lesson because blocks are officially ending on Friday. So tomorrow being Thursday will be our last lesson. It's now official that the exams have been moved to 17th. So what we have thought as a school, we will do a special vision for the next 3 weeks, starting from Monday, but at an extra cost of 5,000. So if you'd be interested, you can join from Monday. But officially, QA is ending tomorrow. Then on Friday, you'll have your lesson. And remember, on Friday at 11, we have prayers day. So join us online. We'll be having a prayer session. I think I have sent the message in the group today. So don't be so much worried of what you cannot control. As we said yesterday, all things work it for good. All things work it for good. 17th of May. 17th of May as well. So just look at it as an opportunity to fine-tune what you had not done so that you are able to pass. So 5,000 will be for all the units in a section. And if it's just for one unit, it is 2,500. It's 2,500. So that we are not I know. So I think that is okay. Eliana and the others, have a great evening. Let me rush so that nisifungiwe kwa barabara, tuweze kuonana kesho majaliwa. Thank you.